In this video, we're going to try to interpret a frequency table. So if we have a problem like this that says the chart below shows the number of times people picked a certain type of fruit at the farm on Saturday. So these are the types of fruit picked at the farm. These are the fruits, and this is the frequency. So they picked apples 53 times, strawberries 42 times, and peaches 23 times. Then 10 more people picked apples on Sunday. I guess Sunday was a slow day. So how many people picked fruit at the farm over the weekend? So find out how many people picked fruit on the farm on Saturday. Well, we know what that is. It's here. These are all the times that fruit was picked on Saturday and which types of fruit was picked. So add all the frequencies in the chart. So 53 plus 42 plus 23 equals 118. So find out how many people picked fruit on the weekend. So 118 people picked fruit on Saturday. These are all the Saturday frequencies. And then 10 people picked fruit on Sunday. That's what it says here. Only 10 people picked fruit on Sunday. So now to get the total, it's 118 plus 10 equals 128. So 128 people picked fruit over the weekend. And that's how you take a look at a frequency chart and try to solve a problem. So don't worry if you don't get this right away. You could just rewatch the video. You could look in the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that are similar to this. That'll give you some extra practice. And also you could download the ebook. In the ebook, this exact lesson is in there, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. So please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.